I eat breakfast every morning. I go for a walk after dinner. I check the weather before I leave home. I buy groceries once a week. I clean my room on Saturdays. I call my friends in the evening. I read the news every day. I make dinner around 7 p.m. I charge my phone at night. I set my alarm before going to bed.
Romantic movie night, easy English conversation for beginners. Hi Barbara, how are you today?
Hi Richard. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. So, what did you think about the movie we watched last night?
Oh, I loved it. It was such a beautiful and touching story. What about you?
I really enjoyed it as well. The actors did an amazing job, especially in the emotional scenes.
I agree. The chemistry between the main characters was incredible. It felt so real.
Yes, it did. The scene where they reunited at the train station was my favorite. It was so powerful.
That was a wonderful scene. I also loved the part where they danced under the stars. It was so romantic.
Absolutely. The soundtrack made those moments even more special. Did you notice how perfect the music was?
Yes, it matched the mood of the story perfectly. The song during the final scene almost made me cry.
Me too. It was so emotional. By the way, do you think the ending was good?
I think so. It was bittersweet, but it suited the story. Not all love stories need a perfect happy ending.
True. It felt real and meaningful. Would you recommend this movie to your friends?
Definitely. I think they would love it. How about you?
For sure. It's one of the best romantic films I've seen in a while.
I agree. We should go to the cinema more often. Watching movies on the big screen is such a great experience.
I completely agree. Let's check out what's playing next weekend. Maybe there's another good movie we can watch.
Sounds like a plan. I'll look it up later. Thanks for inviting me to the movie last night, Richard.
You're welcome, Barbara. It was a pleasure sharing such a wonderful film with you.
Same here. Have a great day, Richard.
You too, Barbara. See you soon.
Meet and greet. Long English conversation for beginners. Hi, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Emily. What's yours?
I am Robert. Nice to meet you, Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Robert. Where are you from?
I am from New York. How about you?
I am from London. Are you visiting London?
Yes, I am here for a vacation. I love visiting new places. Have you ever been to New York?
Yes, I visited New York last year. It is a wonderful city. What do you like about London?
I love the history and the museums. The British Museum is amazing. Have you been there?
Yes, I have. The British Museum is one of my favorite places. Do you like the parks in London?
Yes, Hyde Park is beautiful. I enjoyed walking there yesterday. Do you visit the park often?
Yes, I go there every weekend. It's a great place to relax. What other places do you want to visit in London?
I want to see the Tower of London and Buckingham Palace. Have you been to those places?
Yes, I have. They are very interesting. The Tower of London has a lot of history, and Buckingham Palace is so grand.
That sounds exciting. Do you have any recommendations for good places to eat in London?
Yes, there are many great places. If you like traditional food, you should try a pub. They have good fish and chips.
That sounds delicious. I will definitely try it. Do you enjoy traveling, Emily?
Yes, I love traveling. I like to visit new cities and learn about different cultures. How about you, Robert?
I love traveling too. It's great to meet new people and see new places. Do you have any travel plans for the future?
Yes, I plan to visit Paris next summer. It's my dream to see the Eiffel Tower. What about you?
I want to visit Japan next year. I am very interested in Japanese culture. Have you been to Japan?
No, I haven't, but it sounds like a wonderful place. I hope you have a great trip.
Thank you, Emily. I hope you enjoy Paris. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too, Robert. Enjoy your time in London.
Thanks. Have a great day, Emily.
You too, Robert. Bye.
Nature's Call, Unplugging and Discovering the Joy of Mountain Camping. Hi everyone, I'm Charles, and this is Bianca. Today, we're talking about something really exciting: mountain camping.
That's right, Charles. There's nothing quite like setting up a tent in the mountains, surrounded by nature. It's a chance to unplug from our busy lives.
Absolutely, Bianca. Let's start with the basics. First, you need a good tent. It's your home away from home, so make sure it's comfortable and waterproof.
Yes, and don't forget a sleeping bag. The nights in the mountains can be cold even in summer. A warm sleeping bag is essential.
Good point. Now, what about food? You can't just order a pizza out there.
Definitely not, Charles. Bring easy-to-cook meals and snacks. And remember, you must carry everything out, so pack light and avoid waste.
Right. Keeping the mountains clean is crucial. Which brings us to campfires. They're a big part of the camping experience, but safety first, right, Bianca?
Exactly, Charles. Only make a fire in designated areas and keep water nearby in case it needs to be put out quickly. Never leave it unattended.
Safety always comes first. And speaking of safety, let's not forget a first aid kit. It's a must-have for any outdoor activity.
Indeed. And let's talk about enjoying the mountains responsibly. Stay on marked trails to protect the plant life and wildlife.
That's a great point. We're visitors in their home. Now, Bianca, what's your favorite part of camping in the mountains?
Oh, it's got to be the stars, Charles. Away from city lights, you can see so many stars at night. It's truly magical.
I couldn't agree more. For me, it's the peace and quiet. It's so refreshing to wake up to the sound of birds instead of traffic.
Absolutely, Charles. And for our viewers thinking about trying mountain camping, we say, go for it. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature and recharge.
But remember, preparation is key. Make sure you have the right gear, plan your trip carefully, and always respect nature.
Well said, Charles. We hope this conversation inspires you to explore the beauty of mountain camping.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on embracing the great outdoors. See you next time.
Happy camping, everyone. Stay safe and cherish the beauty of nature.